Hi, I'm Dr. Dominic Mensah from Columbus, Ohio. Office Dr. Dominic Mensah, DDS. Now, if you've got crowded teeth, your teeth are going to be, your gums are going to bleed a lot more. So with that, fast braces is the only technology out there that corrects that situation by growing bone. And when you grow in bone, it fixes a situation where your gums were bleeding. So fast braces, because of its unique patented technology, allows us to now, with braces, correct periodontal disease, gingivitis. Anyone interested in fast braces can reach me, Dr. Dominic J. Mensah, at 614-476-1535. We are in Columbus, Ohio, halfway between the airport and Easton.